ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालदीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री in the 88th shloka it was clarified that chittam is not chaitanya. Chittam means antakarana or ahankara is not chetana by itself. Because of chidabhasa it functions like chetana. Chidvad abhasate iti chidabhasa. So chittam and chidabhasa has sahaja tadatmya. I explained last time. Consciousness illumining chittam means chidabhasa formation in chittam. Consciousness illumining chittam means chidabhasa formation in chittam. So in Jagrata and Swapna, chittam is there, so chidabhasa is also present. In Sushupti, chittam is in Laya Avastha, so chidabhasa also goes to Laya. If you accept, if Purvapakshi says, chittam is chetanam, so number one, it is Shastra Vivarjitam, Yukti Vivarjitam cha. There is no Shastra supporting it, there is no Yukti supporting it. And if you accept that, Dehasyapi Prasangasyat Chakshuradehe Tathaiva cha, Deha also will become Chetana, Chakshuradi Indriya also will become Chetana. So Purvapakshi will say, Ishtapattim, let it be there. Ishtapattim ashankya pariharati. Parihara Siddhanti will do. Tadapyastviti chetanna lokayatika sangatehe nacha dhir drishirasmiti yadyabhaso na chetasi. तदप्यस्त्विति चेत्तन्न लोकायिक संगतेः न च धीर्दृशिरस्मीति यद्याभासो न चेतसि तदपि अस्तु. If somebody says iti chet tanna, Siddhanti says no, that cannot happen, that is not possible. Why? Lokayatika sangatehe, it is going to become Charvak darshan there. Deha is Chetana, means Deha Atmavada, Indriya Atmavada. This is what Lokayatika darshan is. And Mana Atmavada. All the three will become Charvak darshan. Sangati means you will become one with, you will join them. It will become Avaidika darshan. यदि आभासो चेतसी न भवेत् तदा दृशिः अस्मि इति धी च न भवेत्. If in chetasi means in chittam. In chittam, if chidabhasa is not there, aham brahmasmi jnanam cannot happen. So we already saw this, because only Atma cannot do Shravana. only Jada Buddhi cannot say Aham Brahmasmi. You need together where Chidabhasa formation is there. Drishi means Brahma here. Drishi literally means Drashta, but here Drashta means Brahma. Because Drashta is actually Brahma, according to Vedanta Darshan. Tika. लोकायतिक संगते है means अवैदिकत्व प्रसंगात. It will become अवैदिक. किंच आभास अनभ्युपगमे द्वार अभावात् अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति आगंतुकम वाक्यजन्यम ऐक्य ज्ञानम न सिद्ध्येत इत्याह. If you don't accept Chidabhasa, Abhasa Anabhyupagame Asvikare, Dwar Abhavat, there is no entry point for Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam to come. What is Aham Brahmasmi? Iti Agantukam Vakya Janyam Aikya Jnana. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is Nitya or Anitya?
Anitya.
Anitya.
Anitya. And Brahma is
Nitya.
Nitya.
how Aham Brahmasmi Anitya Jnanam will give me the buddhi that I am Nitya Brahma.
Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is to remove the avidya that covers the knowledge that I am Brahman. So once that avidya is gone, Swata Siddha Brahma.
Brahmakar Vritti, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is only for avidya nivritti. So Agantukam Vakya Janyam, and it is produced only through Mahavakya, not in any other way. Not Chamatkar Janyam. Vakya Janyam Aikya Jnanam na siddhyet ityaha na cha dhihi iti. Chetasi yadi abhaso na bhavet, if Chidabhasa is not there in Antakarana, then Shravanam cannot happen. And also, we have to remember, this Chidabhasa plays dual role. When I have to be Pramata to do Shravanam, Chidabhasa joins Buddhi in one role. And when I have to be Brahma, Chidabhasa takes side with Brahma. So it is like this. Brahma, Chidabhasa, Buddhi. During Shravanam, Chidabhasa is listening. Buddhi alone cannot listen. So Chidabhasa help is there for Buddhi. I'm just showing Atma is here. Atma is never away. When the Jnanam takes place, Chidabhasa, the one who did Shravanam, will say Aham Brahmasmi. In other words, Chidabhasa understands that my actual nature is Brahma. But when I identify with Buddhi, then I am Pramata, Karta, Bhokta, etc. Chidabhasa should know both. My Swarupa is Brahma, Buddhi Tadatmyat, Aham Pramata, Karta, Bhokta. So we should understand that I have to do this. And now, here in the Drashtanta, means in this picturization, they are different. Actually, all three are together. They are not seen as three. It is appearing as one. So that is where I need Viveka. This is called Atma Anatma Viveka. So if Chidabhasa is not there, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam would not take place, because this understanding would not be there. Kevalasya chittasya jadatvat. Kevala chitta is jada and chinmatra is kutasya. So this we have already seen, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Ityartha. So now somebody says, okay, aham brahmasmi jnanam, if it doesn't take place, so what is the big problem? Life is going on, everything is there, wonderful. Brahmasmi iti dhiyo abhave ka kshati. What are we going to lose? So this topic he is concluding now, topic which started from 75th shloka up to 90. Chidabhasa Vishayaka Shanka and Parihara, that he is completing now, and he is introducing Asmad Yushmat Viveka now. So how to do Tvam Padartha Shodhanam. You remember in the beginning we said the whole idea is going to be Tvam Padartha Shodhanam as a major emphasis. Like how second chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi is also for Tvam Padartha Shodhanam. So he concludes this Chidabhasa Vishayaka Shanka Parihara topic. Sadasmiti Diyo Bhave Vyarthan Syat Tattvamasyapi Yushmadasmad Vibhagagnye Syadarthavadidam Vachah. Sadasmiti Diyo Bhave Vyarthan Syat Tattvamasyapi Yushmadasmad Vibhagagnye Syadarthavadidam Vachah. Sad asmi iti dhiyo abhave tattvamasi iti api vyartham syat. Tattvamasi api means tattvamasi iti api vyartham syat. Yushmad asmad vibhagnye tu idam vachah arthavat syat. Tu is not given, but you have to separate Purvardha and Uttarardha. They are different. Aham Brahmasmi, if this jnanam does not take place. Sad Asmi means Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Sad Asmi. Sad means Brahma. Ekameva Dvitiyam. In the absence of such buddhi, Tattvamasi api vyartham syat. Tattvamasi would be vyartha. Means Upadesha will become vyartha if jnanam is not taking place. And this vachanam will become meaningful only for those people who have done Yushmad Asmad Vibhaga. Yushmad Asmad Vibhaga means those who have done Atma Anatma Viveka. Yushmad Asmad Vibhagagnye. Yushmadcha Asmadcha Tayoho Vibhagaha. Yushmad Asmad Vibhaga. Tasya Jnata Vibhagagnya. Or Janati. Yushmad Asmad Vibhagam Janati. Iti Yushmad Asmad Vibhagagnya. Tasmin Yushmad Asmad Vibhagagnya. In this person, Mahavakya will become meaningful. Mahavakya is only meaningful for the person who has done Tvam Padartha Shodhanam, who has understood I am Chaitanya Matra. Then only he will understand Vedanta. For everybody else, it is Yartham. Api hi avadharanartha. Api shabda. Api means api shabda. Avadharanartha. Api, where is api?
Tattvamasi api.
Api means tattvamasi eva. Tattvamasi eva vyartham se. Tattvamasi itself will become vyartham. Vyartham eva. That's how Tikakar says. Tattvamasi vakyam aikya grahakam ukta dhiyo abhave vyartham eva. Tattvamasi vakya, which is aikya grahaka vakya. Grahaka means ऐक्य ज्ञान उत्पादक वाक्य. If aham brahmasmi, jnanam does not take place, then tattvamasi adi mahavakyas are vyartha. Not only mahavakya, whole shastra, all karma kanda, everything is vyartha, because everything has prayojanam only in brahma jnana. Apramanam eva syad ityartha. Tattvamasi will become apramanam. It will not be able to produce praman. Astu vayarthyam. Purvapakshi says, okay, mahavakya may be vyartha, but we have seen people who quickly understand aham brahmasmi. Means there are people who listen to mahavakya and they understand. Tad vakya shrotrinam sarvesham jhatiti brahmasmi iti buddhi utpatti darshanat. There are people who listen to this and quickly they get aham brahmasmi jnana. Jhatiti brahmasmi iti buddhi utpatti darshanat.
Adarshana.
बुद्धि उत्पत्ति अदर्शन. झटिति बुद्धि उत्पत्ति अदर्शन इति आशंक्याः युष्मदस्मद विभागज्ञे अर्थवत् इदं वचः स्यात्. Other way also, if it is darshanat also, where it will happen, he says adhikarinah pramiti janako veda. We saw this line somewhere else also.
Yes, Swamiji.
Where?
Siddhanta Bindu, right?
In Chandrika Tika, Nishkarmya Siddhi. Adhikarinah pramiti janako veda. For adhikari, veda will produce prama, not for others. Adhikarinah pramiti janako. So, those who have done, adhikari means those who have done atma anatma viveka. They are adhikari for aham brahmasmi. For others, buddhi utpatti adarshan. Iti nyayat. In Vedas, they have said that we will guarantee you prama if you are adhikari. You know, these the coaching classes, etc., they say we will guarantee you will be the top 50 in the nation or top 100 or top 200. You know, when will they give guarantee? You already have to be really good. You have to be hardworking. They will see your IQ, etc., etc. Then they will say, we'll guarantee you will get it. And when they see there are people, they say, we will not take you only, so that we don't have to be guaranteed. Vedas are also like that. Adhikarinah pramiti janako veda. Iti nyayat samyak padartha vijnanavata eva vakyartha bodhe adhikarat. Samyak padartha vijnana. Padartha means tat padartha tvam padartha. Those who have clear tattvam padartha vijnana, tesham vijnanavataha eva vakyartha bodhe adhikarat. Only such people are eligible for mahavakya. Atma anatma vibhaga jnanavati eva pumsi idam vakyam arthavat na sarvan prati jhatiti ityarth. Everyone will not get quick knowledge, but those who have done atma anatma vibhaga jnanavati saptami pumsi idam vakyam arthavat. Pumsi, what is the pratyaya?
Dumsun.
Dumsun pratyaya. Idam vakyam arthavat. So what Acharya is emphasizing and what we should also understand is serious effort for tvam padartha shodhana. In other words, every time when I think of myself, I should understand myself as Chaitanya, not include Panchakosha. When I think of others, they are Chaitanya, not including their Panchakosha. The result of this will be your Vyavahar will go down, because Vyavahar requires Panchakosha. Any Vak Vyavahar, Karma Vyavahar requires that I give more and more importance to Panchakosha. So at least let Buddhi stay away from this Panchakosha Vyavahara. And then whatever Deha has to do, Indriya has to do it. But this is very important, very much required. Otherwise, they say, this. Look at these people, they have studied Vedanta and they are Dukhi. Exactly this is what is going to happen. Tameva Yushmad Asmad Vivekam Darshaitum Upakramate. Now he begins with Yushmad Asmad Viveka. So from 91 to 98 is one part of this Viveka. This is Tvam Padartha Shodhanam. But how he does this is a different style. He does it in the form of Visheshya Visheshana Viveka. Visheshya Visheshana Viveka. What is it? It will become clear in couple of shlokas. Then I will explain more. Okay. Mamedam pratyayau jneyau ishmatyeva na samshayah ahamityasmadishtah sya dayamasmi tichobhayoh. Mamedam pratyayau jneyau ishmatyeva na samshayah ahamityasmadishtah sya smiti chobhayoh. Pratyayau jneyau Yushmadiyeva. They belong to Yushmad, Anatma. Yushmad Asmad, Yushmad means Anatma. Eva, na samshaya. Yushmadi eva mamedam pratyayau na samshaya. The Asmad ishtah syat. And aham is Asmad pratyaya. Asmi iti cha ubha pratyaya. And ayam asmi. To Asmi will belong to Asman. So ayam Asmi means ubhaya. It will have both together. First, when we do this Viveka, first is Sthula Viveka. Then we see idam means putradi. Mama iti cha. Mama putra. Idam shariram you can take. Actually here idam means Ghatapada, Bahya Padartha he is taking. What is known as ayam. Mama iti cha pratyayau yushmadi anatmani eva jneyau. Putradi bahyarthasya deha adhyasa pranalikaya eva asmadarthe praveshat. Bahya artha, how it enters in my buddhi to express sambandha, it is far from me. How do I say this is mine? Mama or idam. In that, how sambandha is connected, he says, putradi bahyarthasya deha adhyasa pranalikaya eva. Deha adhyasa pranali. When I have aham in deha, then whatever is there for deha, with that I connect as mama or aham also. Dehadhyasa pranalikaya eva asmad arthe pravesha. What is yushmad? It will enter in asmad through dehadhyasa. In Vivek Chudamani, there is a shloka, Dehatmana samsthita eva kami, vilakshanaha kamaita katham syat. Dehatmana samsthita is called kami, means kamana does not mean you should have too many other vasanas or I want to go to sarga, etc. If I think I am deha, you are kami. Dehatmana samsthitah eva kami, Bhagavan Bhashyakar says. Why? There is no other kamaita. Who will do kamana? The one who has deha atma buddhi or the one who does not have deha atma buddhi? The deha atma buddhi one. He is called kami. We think kami means kamana for some other vishaya. Aham deha is the seed for all kamanas. Deha adhyasa. This is why in Brahadaranyaka the topic that is going on, where one has to do nishkama karma, nitya karma, and work for chitta shuddhi. Bahyartha sambandho api anatma dharma eva iti yukta mukta. And therefore bahyartha sambandha, putra, mitra, kalatra, adi anatma dharma. Yeah, bahyartha sambandha is also anatma. Iti yukta mukta. It is right only the way it is said. Mamedam iti pratyayau yushmadi eva iti na samshaya. Mama pratyaya, idam pratyaya, they all are yushmad. Iti sarvatra anushajyate. Na samshaya is there everywhere. Mama idam yushmadi eva na samshaya. Aham iti asmadi ishtaha na samshaya. Ayam asmi iti cha ubhayoho syat na samshaya. In this. Aham iti pratyaya आभास द्वारा आत्मभूते व्यावहारिके अस्मदि आत्मनि aham kartari ishtah syat. So here aham, he says, is right now he is not saying aham as putasa atma. Here he says aham means ahankara. This is the in-between stage. So aham iti asmad ishtah syat. See in Tika, he makes it very clear. Aham iti pratyaya आभास द्वारा अहम वृत्ति विच्छिदाभास आत्मभूते व्यावहारिके अस्मदि इन व्यावहारिक अहंकार अहंकर्तरी हु इज द अहंकर्ता इष्टः स्यात् अहम इति एव उल्लेख दर्शनात् बिकॉज देयर उल्लेख इज अहम अहंकार एक्सप्रेसेस एज अहम ओनली अयम देहादिहि अस्मि. And when somebody says, I am dehadihi aham asmi, this body, etc., they are I, they are me. So in that, ubhayoho atma anatmanoho pratyaya ityartha. Here atma anatmanoho means this ahankara is also there and bahya padartha is also there. Now let me just explain what he is going to take us to. Okay, just pay attention here. Our standard is this for explanation. This is Atma. This is Ahankara. Every time when I show three, they are not the same. I keep changing them. This is Atma, this is Ahankara. This is Putra, Pashu, Griha, कलत्र मित्र बंधु etc. When we say mama putra है, अहंकार identifies with पुत्र और गृह, मम गृहम, मम dhanam. He will give those examples. So in this, aham is visheshya. All these are visheshana. Because I am primary, ahankar is primary. This putra, dhana, pashu, they are secondary. They are apradha. It's called pradhana. In visheshana visheshya sambandha, visheshya is always pradhana. Visheshana is gauna. So when I say Neelam Utpalam, Utpala is important. Neelo Ghataha, Ghata is important. So Visheshya is Pradhana. So between Ahankara and Bahya Padartha is Gauna. Ahankara is Pradhana. Between Ahankara and Atma will be Pradhana, Ahankara will be Gauna. So Ahankara will be Visheshana or Visheshya?
Visheshana.
When it comes to Atma, Ahankara is Visheshana. When it comes to Putra Pashwadi, Ahankara is
Visheshya.
Visheshya. So the Viveka has to be, in the beginning, the Viveka is with Bahya Padartha and Ahankara. Leave idam, focus on aham. Then when I become little sukshma, then leave this and recognize Atma. Atma Anatma Vishayanam, 92 introduction. Atma Anatma Vishayanam Pratyanam Sankirnataya Asankirnataya cha Vishayan Uktva Ukta Viveka Siddhyartham Tesham Guna Pradhana Bhavena Visheshana Visheshya Bhavo Grahya Ityah. Atma Anatma Vishayanam Pratyanam. Between these pratyas, Atma Anatma Vishaya Pratyaya, Sankirnataya means mixed with something, or Asankirnataya, unmixed. Cha Vishayan Uktva. Now Viveka Siddhyartham, for this Viveka between Atma and Atma, we have to do their Guna Pradhana Bhavena Visheshana Vishesha Bhavo Grahya. Visheshana is Guna, Vishesha will be Pradhana. Guna Pradhana Bhavena Visheshana Vishesha Bhavo Grahya. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, sir.
अन्योन्यापेक्षया तेषां प्रधान गुणतेष्यते विशेषण विशेष्यत्वं तथा ग्राह्यं हि युक्तितः अन्योन्यापेक्षया तेषां प्रधान गुणतेष्यते विशेषण विशेष्यत्वं तथा ग्राह्यं हि युक्तितः. And the commentator says spashtam. It's so clear. अन्योन्य अपेक्षया तेषां प्रधान गुणता इष्यते. तेषां भावानां, all these padarthas, whatever there, atma anatma vishayanam, प्रधान गुणता is there. तथा हि युक्तितः विशेषण विशेष्यत्वं ग्राह्यम्. Therefore, through yukti, I should recognize what is visheshana, what is vishesha. Visheshana, visheshyatvam, grahyam, yuktitaha. So I explain. Now here somebody says, Visheshana Visheshyatvam Yuktitaha Grahyam iti Uktam. Not tu Pradarsitam. You said Visheshana Visheshyatvam Yuktitaha Grahyam, but you have not explained. Uktam eva Vivichya Darshayati. So now with Viveka, Acharya shows this. Mamedam Dvayamapyetan Madhyamasya Visheshanam Dhani Goman Yatha Tadvat Deho Hankartureva Cha Mamedam Dvayamapyetan Madhyamasya Visheshanam Dhani Goman Yatha Tadvat Deho Hankartureva Cha Mama idam dvayamapi etan madhyamasya visheshanam. Madhyama, now you know madhyama. Madhyama is ahankara. So this is, why is it called asmad then? It is a vyavaharik asmad. This one is
Paramarth.
paramarthik asmad. And this one?
Usual.
Yushmad. So this is Yushmad actually. This is also Yushmad. But here he has made doing some viveka between Vyavaharik Asmat and. So like when you go on the street and there is a buffalo, big buffalo, then you do the viveka, I am different, buffalo is different. Here we have so many bulls on the street. Yeah, therefore Vyavaharik viveka only. Vyavaharik Asmat is different, Yushmad is different. This Jnanam will not give moksha. Huh? This Jnanam will save you in different way. So Madhyamasya Visheshanam. Madhyamasya Visheshanam. So Madhyama will be
Ahankara.
Visheshya. Madhyamasya Visheshanam. So Madhyam will be Visheshya. Mama idam, they are Visheshana. Dhani Goman Yatha. Yatha Dhani. Dhani Aham. Goman Aham. So Aham is Visheshya. Dhani Aham means Aham Dhanavan. Goman. So Pashu, Dhana, all of them will be Yushmad. They are Idam. They are Mama. Yatha Tadvat. This is one. Tadvat Deho. Body, Sharir also. Ahankartuhu Eva. Deha is also, Sthula Deha is also Yushmad. For Ahankara. For Sukshma Sharira, Sthula Sharira is also Yushmad. Ahankartuhu Eva. Then there is Cha. Chakarat, what you should understand, Atma is Paramarthik Asmat. Vyavaharik Asmat is Yushmat Sthani, Anatma. Sitika. Madhyamasya Purva Shloke Madhye Nirdishtasya. In the previous shloka, what is in the middle? Madhye Nirdishtasya. So you note this down because in the shloka, where is Madhyama? Madhyama is not that clear in the earlier shlokas. Okay. So that's why how I explain that you keep in mind. Madhyamasya Purva Shloke Madhye Nirdishtasya. Madhye Nirdishtasya Asmadarthasya. Asmadartha means Vyavaharik Asmadarthasya. Atmano Visheshanam Idam Mama Iti Cha Dvayam. idam mama, they both are visheshana for this vyavaharik asmat. Manushyoham iti pratyaya apekshaya ityarthah. Compared to manushyoham means deha, these are bahya padartha. Putra, dhana, go, pashu adi. So tatra udaharanam dhani, goman, aham. Yatha dhanadi idam tva aspadam sat deha apekshaya. Compared to sharira, they are idam. Compared to atma, sharira is also idam. Aham is also what?
Idam.
With respect to atma, aham is also idam. This in buddhi, if it is spashta, you can do a lot of enquiry. How to understand aham is idam is Vedanta. You know, people like these bullet vakyas. What is Vedanta? Vedanta is to understand aham is also idam. It's not easy to understand what is said first. Aham is also idam. Means ahankara is also anatma. Idam shabda vachyam is anatma. Ahankara is also anatma. This is Vedanta trying to say. This is step 1. You know what is step 2? To understand idam is also aham. Anything which is idam, after Brahma Jnanam, Brahmaivahamidam jagatcha sakalam chinmatra vistaritam. Vedanta is very simple. To understand aham as idam and to understand idam as aham. But don't use these vakyas without understanding. Otherwise, you are confused, you will confuse others also. You exactly have to know what is the meaning of aham where. In the first case, aham means ahankara, this vyavaharika asmat. In the second case, aham means paramarthika.
Paramarthika, Kutastha.
So remember this. What is Vedanta in a nutshell? To understand aham as idam, then, so this is called, that is stage 1, that is padartha chodhanam. Aham is also idam. Second stage is mahavakya jnana, that idam is also aham. Aham Brahma asmi, to sarvam khalvidam Brahma, everything is me in this. यथा धनादि इदम त्वास्पदम सत देहापेक्षया ममत्वास्पदम अहंकर्तुः सिद्धम. Where there is dhanadi dehapeksha idam tvaspadam mamattvaspadam for tvasthu apekshaya apeksha ahanttvaspadataya apekshya. Ahankara dhanadi are bahya. Compared to that, this is internal, closer. But it is anatma. So therefore, for aham vyavaharik asmat, deha will be visheshana. Visheshya. Chakarat आत्मनोपि सोहम ज्ञाता इत्यादि उल्लेखे स्थूल देहम अपेक्ष्य अपि अहंकर्ता विशेषणम इति योज्य. For Atma, even this pradhana bhuta ahankarta, the vyavaharik asmat, is also Visheshana. Why? Soham Jnata ityadi ullekhe, because that Jnata I am. So compared to Sthula Deha, this Pradhana Bhuta Ahankarta is also Visheshana for Atma, which is Vishesham iti yojyam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.